Hey family, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be in Miami Beach for a day.
Here we go.
Alright guys, I think I'm going to have a drink. How are the drinks here? The drinks are good?
The cost of drinking on Ocean Drive is a lot. If you want a more affordable experience, go to Lost Weekend or take the drive over to Wynwood.
Thank you.
Beware of the cute cigar girls. They will overcharge you for cigars. Smash the subscribe button if you dislike overpaying while on vacation. Even Mango's is closed. Have you ever been there before? I'll give you some throwback footage from 2019. For those of you that are new here, you should know that I'm a sucker for Cuban food. Instead of eating at the overpriced spots in South Beach, I'm going to bring you to my favorite hole in the wall in Mid Beach.
Huh? Oh, I like everything. Yeah. Perfecto. Another must is café con leche, and you have to have it with toasted Cuban bread. Hold on, cut the music. Now how the hell did she know that I wanted a hot sauce? She wasn't wrong, but how did she know? Let me know why in the comments below. Thank you so much.
South Beach is always dope, even if you only have a few hours. I appreciate you hanging out with me, but I really want you guys to come on this next trip with me. I'll give you a sneak peek.